Now you are welcome to MTH 102 of what? Open University. And we are going to look at how to find the inverse of what? 1 all over 5x. So step 1, we are going to say what? Let f of s equals to y. Then we now have 1 all over what? 5x. Now the step 2 is for us to make what? S the subject of the formula. From there we can now cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we are going to have what? 5xy is equals to what? 1. Meaning we are going to say y times 5s will give us 5sy, and 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Now for us to make s the subject of the formula, we are going to divide both sides by 5 over y, 5 over y. Then this 5 will cancel 5, y will cancel y, and our s will be equals to 1 all over what? 5y. Then from there, this s we are going to change it to what? Inverse of what? X, and this y will replace it with what? X. Then that will be our what? Final answer.